Hello and welcome back to Health and Fitness with Beatrice. I am so happy to be with you here inside the 14-day Kickstart program. And today is hashtag number 3 out of the HIIT Sessions with Stretches. We have got butt kick, mountain climbers, fast kick arm swings with circles, high knees pulling rope, and that 20 seconds on each cardio move and 40 seconds on each stretch move. And the 7 minutes all together. Start with butt kick. We take our heels up to the bottom as far as we possibly can. Let's start now. 20 seconds all in. If you like, you can jog a little bit and try to get your heels up to your bottom as fast as you possibly can. It's only 20 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, arm swing. Going back. Breathe in. So then the cardio now intensively for 20 seconds. Now we're trying to get as much air into our lungs as possible. So we can do another cardio for 20 seconds and then forward, change direction, forward. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. And we are now going to start with the mountain climbers any seconds. It's a plank leaning towards a wall or something that's static. And then taking your knees up to your chest as fast as you possibly can. I'm going to go down on this fender and then go into plank and then moving my legs up to my chest as fast as I can, and also holding my hands below my shoulders or towards the wall, and you go in with your knees up to your chest as fast as you possibly can. Stop. Marvelous. Upper body twist. Soft knees. We rotate. You engage your whole upper body and you turn it to the left and the right, and the lower part of your body is static. Okay, so this, especially your bottom, your glutes are completely static. So you breathe in through our nose and out through the mouth. Now we're going to do fast kick with arm swing. Now you're ready? So you go back with your arms to begin with. You can just kick out with your legs like this, or you go a little bit faster if you like. And then forward with your arms. 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Hip rotation. To the right first, 20 seconds, clockwise, and then we're going to change to anti-clockwise left in some few seconds. This is a great little hip lubricator, warms up the joints and obviously the muscles. To the left, anti-clockwise. If you do this exercise once or twice per day, I promise you, you will see an amazing result very fast. But it is consistency and being consistent with it. Now, any second here now, we're going to do high knees pulling rope, okay? Starting now. So you pull that rope and you take your knees as high up as you possibly can, okay? You lift those knees up and you're pulling that rope down, down, down. At the same time you're pulling down, your knees are going up. And if you imagine with your pelvic floor, they are going up in a lift. Up, up, up. And then stop. And then knee rotation. Go to the right, 20 seconds. And then go into the left, 20 seconds. So we are going to the right here now. And this lubricates the joints in the knees. And then to the left. And then we have got one more set of this, okay? You can do this, stay with me. So we have got butt kick coming up here now in 10 seconds. You try to get your heels up to your bottom as fast as you possibly can in 20 seconds only, okay? Now, come on, 20 seconds, 17, 16. Now, if you like, you can jog and you can do it, okay? It's 10 seconds. Go all in here now, all in. Doesn't matter if it wobbles from the top to the bottom. It's you, and you're doing it for you. Stop. Arm swings. Going back, You're getting healthier and fitter, leaner with every move you do. Remember your why you're doing it. And then forward. And breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Okay? This is the last one of those, and we have good mountain climbers coming up in 12 seconds. So if you think where you want to be now, okay, just prepare your mind where you want to stand and do the mountain climbers. I'm going to do them towards the wall behind me, okay? Now, so I lean down a little bit, and then I take my knees as high up as I possibly can to my chest. My hands are in front of me, just in front of my elbows. And the further down you lean, the more the weight you will put on your whole body, and the more you will exercise, and the heavier it will be. Now, upper body twist. So, the further down you are, the heavier the exercise will be. But start standing more or less straight up, if that is what you can do at the moment. That is great. You start where you are. Breathe in and out through your mouth. And as you progress, please take one of the other exercises that was only meant to be here, but then I threw in these. I thought these might be good for you. Alright? So now we have done that one. Oh my god, fast kick, arm swing. Come on. Okay, fast kick, arm swing. And then we're going to go forward with the arms. You kick out with your legs. Kick out with your legs. Move those legs. Move them out. Move them out. Move them out. And now we have hip rotation. 20 seconds to the right and 20 seconds to the left. These 3 extra HIIT sessions with stretches are a great way to start your fitness journey. And then to the left. So if you do something, I think at least, if you do something that's too heavy, too hard, and it's not sustainable, you will stop. And I really don't want you to stop. I want you to do something easy and fun, short and sweet. Now, this is the last one. High knees pulling rope. Are you ready? Are you ready? Come on. That was the end of it. I just say that.